I'm Shannon McWhorter. I'm the program director for Stemkamp. We are nationwide. We work in 10 different school districts across the country. All the students that are attending are actually kids of active military, and that's amazing to me. Our theme this year is bugging out, and so we are using insects as our backdrop, and the kids are learning about the science and engineering behind insects. We are funded through the Department of Defense STEM to bring our program to military-connected schools. It's a 5-day program, and they're doing tons of STEM activities.
I've had a lot of fun. I got to make a mosquito trap with my friends, and I got to make it myself and kind of catch the mosquitoes because they like to bite me a lot and a lot of other people. So it kind of works out, and I also got to get some new friends and maybe hang out with them for the rest of the summer.
What I've observed is the culture here in Chesapeake is just so positive, and I can see it from the administration all the way down to the students. But these middle schoolers are all engaged and happy and asking questions and interacting with one another. It's really just amazing.
They fight to the death? They fight to the death, that's what they do. Oh, they take their biggest, baddest female bees.
My kids come in excited, they're ready to learn. They are calculating and making inferences. They are working and collaborating in groups. They are critically thinking, and they're asking questions, and they know so much more than what I expected them to know. Sometimes they'll even throw in facts that even I had to look up myself.
I have 2 kids at Stemkamp this summer. I was a Navy submariner. I work in submarine programs now at Com Sub 4 in Norfolk, Virginia. And Stemkamp has been an amazing program for the kids. They come home every day excited about telling us, their parents, what they learned, the friends that they've made, and we look forward to them participating in this program for years to come.
I love STEM!